My name is Leslie Tamminen. I'm going to be roughly moderating this. We have to move around because of the screen, and we're going to ask that each of our panel members introduce themselves. Then they will give their presentation, and at the conclusion of all the presentations, we will take questions. So please hold your questions until then. Thanks. First up, we have Dr. Marcus Erickson.
Hi, my name is Marcus Erickson, the co-founder of the Five Gyres Institute. I'll tell you a little bit about what we're up to. We have a few things we do. Education work, mostly we do a lot of sailing adventures.